a lot of people, they let their positions, and I can speak from the military side, positions and ranks, define who they are.
Mhm.
When I was in, man, I didn't allow that to say, I didn't say, oh, I'm Sergeant so-and-so, I'm Staff Sergeant
Mhm.
so-and-so.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
because I knew my rank did not define me.
Mhm.
Most of my soldiers like, hey, man, why are you just so down to earth and authentic? Because I was like, they could take this anytime they want to. It's not going to it's not going to say that this rank, this rank in these rockers, these chevrons, these rockers define who Glenn Turner Jr. is. I'm Glenn Turner Jr. whether I'm in this uniform or outside of this uniform.
Exactly.
So, you have to be yourself. There's people who let their bank accounts, who allow their positions of authority to define who they are.
Yes.
But they don't realize that their purpose is who they are. When their parents named them, whatever their name is, that's who they were born to be. Because, Jeremiah 29:11 says, hey, look, I knew you before you were, before when you were in the womb, I knew you then, right?
Mhm.
So before you had the money, before you had the fame, before you had all these other things, you were born with a purpose and a passion to do what God, said you were here on this earth to do. So yeah, a lot of people, they do that, especially I can speak from the military side. But yeah, a lot of people, even when you meet people, they say, I'm such and such and I do this. This is what I do. No, it's just an introduction. I'm Glenn Turner. No titles, no nothing. You know what I mean? And I think we need to get away from that, being individualistic in the Western society, been around the world too. Like you meet somebody that's like, oh, I'm this person. That's it. And their last names carry weight. Like overseas, there's like, I'm this person or I'm the son of this person. Like when I was in Kuwait, I met a guy. He's like, my name's Joseph. I'm son of John, just for an example, because he was so proud of what his father had done that he was still doing the work of his father. And we should be that way in Christianity. I can say, I'm Glenn, son of God. How much weight would that carry in the world if you tell somebody that?
Exactly.
That's powerful right there.
People run.
That's very powerful. Culture teaches us the elevator speech as opposed to like, man, knowing who we are. Culture, that's the culture's job.